Welcome everyone. Thanks a lot for staying with us. You're watching our continuous coverage ahead of Modi Cabinet 3.0 swearing in. So Narendra Modi is all set to take oath as the Prime Minister of the country for the third time in a row later this evening. Before the swearing in, Narendra Modi visited Rajghat, paid tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. He paid homage to former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee at Sadaiv Atal Memorial. He also paid tributes to brave hearts of the country at the National War Memorial. Now, for the swearing-in ceremony, subcontinent leaders, Bangladesh Prime Minister and Sheikh Hasina, Seychelles VP Ahmed Afif have arrived. The event is also expected to witness the presence of leaders from Maldives, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Nepal and Mauritius as part of India's Neighbourhood First policy. While many top guns of the BJP have been retained in the new cabinet, there will also be some new entrants from both the BJP and of course the balancing of the new allies. Just a short while ago, Narendra Modi met all new ministers that are to be inducted at his residence. Let's show you the pictures from the Prime Minister's meeting with what the new cabinet is going to look like. So this gives you an idea of what the new cabinet will look like. You've got the likes of H.D. Kumaraswamy, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah, all part of this meeting. So that is already giving you an indication of what the cabinet will be. Jaishankar, Nirmala Sitharaman, Jayant Chaudhary, Ramdas Athavale, Mr. Bittu, all there. So they're going to be new faces plus some of the old. Let's tell you also what the messaging from the Prime Minister was. There are about 65 to 70 MPs, we are being told, who were seen at the Prime Minister's residence. So that also gives you the idea of the shape or the contours. We will of course break down everything that we are learning. But first up, the big message from the Prime Minister to all cabinet ministers or those who are going to be sworn in as the cabinet ministers. So what did he say? He said, needs to continue the Viksit Bharat agenda. That of course was the agenda on which the Narendra Modi led BJP fought the last elections. Development work to continue with no halt. He's known for his delivery. He's known for efficiency. He wants to continue that. Finish the unfinished work. So not everything got done in the last 2 terms. They've got a lot more that they want to do and achieve. That's the message. And don't work under anyone's pressure. Important message coming in from the Prime Minister himself to what is going to be his new Sarkar. Implement the 100-day plan is also his message to his new ministers. Remember, before the term ended last time, the Prime Minister had already given these directions to BJP leaders and the sitting ministers that they need to present the next 100 days plan to the government so that they are ready and kick-starting as soon as the new government is sworn in. We're also getting some